Question 1. What are the steps to make sure that the correct data is collected for analysis? Ensuring that the correct data is collected for analysis involves a systematic approach to data management and verification. Here are the essential steps to make sure that the correct data is collected. Define clear objectives. Identify your analysis goals and the questions you aim to answer, guiding the data needed. Establish data requirements. Specify needed variables, detail level, time frames, and locations. Consider data format and quality. Choose appropriate data sources. Select credible sources such as internal databases, government publications, or third-party providers that match your data needs. Develop a data collection plan. Outline methods, tools, and a timeline for collecting data. Design surveys or experiments to minimize biases. Ensure data quality. Implement checks for data accuracy, completeness, and consistency. Use data cleaning techniques to address any issues. Secure data and ensure privacy. Comply with data protection laws and secure data against unauthorized access, ensuring privacy. Pilot test your data collection. Test the collection process on a small scale to identify and correct any issues before scaling up. Review and adjust. Continuously monitor and adjust the collection methods as needed based on data review. Document the process. Record detailed documentation of the collection process, sources, methodologies, and any encountered issues for future reference and audits. Each of these statistical techniques has its applications, advantages, and limitations. The choice of technique depends on the nature of the data, the objectives of the analysis, and the specific questions that need to be answered. Question 2. Write a short note on the statistical techniques which can be used for data analysis. Data analysis is a comprehensive field that utilizes a variety of statistical techniques to uncover patterns, trends, and relationships within data. Understanding these techniques is crucial for interpreting data accurately and making informed decisions. Descriptive statistics. These provide summaries of data, including measures like mean, median, mode, range, variance, and standard deviation. They offer insights into the dataset's overall characteristics without making predictions. Inferential statistics. This extends analysis beyond the data at hand to make predictions about a larger population using sample data. Techniques such as hypothesis testing, confidence intervals, and regression analysis help test theories, estimate population parameters, and explore variable relationships. Regression analysis, a method to investigate the relationship between dependent and independent variables. Common types include linear, logistic, and multiple regression, aiming to predict the value of a dependent variable based on independent variables. Multivariate analysis. This involves analyzing multiple variables simultaneously to uncover complex relationships. Techniques like principal component analysis, factor analysis, and cluster analysis are employed for dimensionality reduction, identifying latent factors, and grouping data points, respectively. Time series analysis, used for data collected over time, this method identifies trends, cyclical patterns, and seasonal variations. It's essential for forecasting and understanding how data evolves over time. Bayesian statistics, a statistical approach that incorporates prior knowledge with current data for making inferences. It's especially valuable when data is limited or prior information is significant, allowing more conclusion. Each of these statistical techniques has its applications, advantages, and limitations. The choice of technique depends on the nature of the data, the objectives of the analysis, and the specific questions that need to be answered. A robust understanding and application of these methods enable analysts to derive meaningful insights from data, guiding strategic decision-making processes. Question 3. Is it important to assess the end users for a visualization? Explain in your own words. Assessing the end users for a visualization is crucial for several reasons. Understanding the audience's background, expertise, and needs allows for the creation of a visualization. Here are some key points that highlight the importance of this assessment: tailored communication, adjust the detail and storytelling of visualizations to fit the audience's expertise. Usability and accessibility, design with the audience's needs and abilities in mind, ensuring easy interaction and understanding. Engagement and persuasion, craft visualizations that resonate with the audience's interests and values to captivate and influence them. Educational value, tailor learning content in visualizations based on the audience's existing knowledge for effective education. Feedback loop, use audience feedback to refine and improve visualizations, making them more engaging and understandable. In conclusion, assessing the end users of a visualization is a fundamental step in the design process. It ensures that the visualization is not only aesthetically pleasing but also functional, informative, and engaging for its intended audience. By considering the audience's needs and perspectives, designers can create more impactful and effective visual representations of data.